Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon. So today, my group, the Blockbuster chain, are going to present on our assignment 4, which is the case study on Shopee. So these are the elements that we're going to present. First is the company profile, business model adapted, performance and achievements, issues and challenges, as well as reported e-commerce success factors and innovation introduced by Shopee, as well as the features and functional available on the websites. So now let's proceed with the company profile. Shopee is a global consumer enterprise, which was founded by Rosli and was first launched in Singapore by the year 2015. Shopee was actually a subsidiary company of an internet platform provider called Sea Limited. Shopee was based on a Singaporean e-commerce platform with the purpose to provide a platform that connect consumer and seller in a single community. They came with the aim of to constantly improve their platform as well as to become the region's preferred e-commerce choice. Now moving on to the workforce, Shopee consists of more than 8,000 employees across the region. They have extended their reach to 7 regions of Southeast Asia, includes Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, and China. Shopee consists of 5 core values, which is we serve, we adapt, we run, we commit, and we stay humble. So for the first one on the we serve is more like the value that they serve in terms of their products and services. The next on the we adapt, more likely like how Shopee is adapting with the rapid change of digital ages. And we run, referring to how Shopee keep on racing to success while grappling with the rapidly shifting forces. And the next one is on the we commit, more to like how Shopee is committed to their work, their values, institution, customers, and also their partners. And last but not least is about we stay humble, more likely like how Shopee keep being humble while continuing their quest for being greater. Now let's proceed the e-commerce business model adapted by Shopee. So the first one is on the C2C and B2C. Actually, Shopee vision a marketplace with a social component where buyer and seller meet to share on the online space and can communicate openly. So this is where and why Shopee started mainly on the C2C platform, which is the customer's marketplace. But they moved into a hybrid model, bringing both C2C model and B2C model together. So now let's proceed with the Shopee's performance and achievements. Let's start with the first year that Shopee was launched. So in 2015, Shopee won the Singapore Startup of the Year by the second edition Vulcan Award. In 2016, Shopee launched the Shopee University, which is a series of workshops and tutorials to support the businesses that established within their online enterprise. In 2017, Shopee launched the Shopee Mall as an in-app space for the B2C sellers. This is where the Tifel products, the Panasonic, or even the Watson products can be purchased through the Shopee Mall. And what's more important is that in 2017, the parent company of Shopee, which is the Sea Limited, went to the initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange in October 2017 for $1 billion. So in 2018, the GMV, or gross volume of goods, or in overall values of goods sold and total purchase order, hits $10 billion. This is a milestone to Shopee for their 600 million transaction. In that year to that, Shopee launched a portal to the China marketplace, which provides the shopper without shipping charges and agents in Singapore, with an easy access to product from Chinese merchants. So for 2019, Shopee was nominated as the top shopping app by monthly active users, with total downloads and website with the most visitors. Reported in 2019 that their gross orders was 246.3 million in a year, and their gross goods was 3.8 billion in the second quarter of 2019.
Good morning, everyone. So I will continue to present about the issues and challenges of Shopee. First is to sustain its business competitiveness. So actually, there were many competitors in the e-commerce industry when Shopee first started to provide an e-marketplace that connects sellers and buyers together in one platform in 2015. The examples of competitors like Lazada and Carousel. Shopee is selling low-end products which earn a lower profit margin, but the sales volume is higher. In contrast, Lazada is selling high-end and branded products which earn higher profit margin, but the sales volume is lower. Both of them are actually selling similar types of products category. So from the consumer aspect, consumer can compare the price and quality of products within several e-marketplaces. Consumer with different needs will have different options in purchasing. So as a latecomer in the marketplace, it is important for Shopee to make up for the lost time and know the preference of the customer in order to sustain its business competitiveness. So next issue and challenges faced by Shopee is online fraud and scam, especially during the large-scale online shopping campaign. Scammers are tricking the buyers by offering them a special price on the item and asking them to make payment outside of the platform. By doing this way, Shopee cannot trace the transaction. Besides, the scammers also request a one-time password from the buyers, with the reason of they accidentally key in the buyer's phone number. Scammers usually have the details of the buyer's bank account. So if buyers share their one-time password, the scammers can use the buyer's bank account to complete a transaction on the platform without the need to fulfill the order. So to prevent online fraud and scam, Shopee protect the buyers by their guarantee policy, where the payment from buyers to seller is withheld until the order received is correct and in good condition. Besides, Shopee also faces twofold challenges. First, due to lockdown, the preference of consumers that shop online switched from essential to work from home equipment, such as the computers, accessories, and educational aids for the children. So Shopee have to serve for the new and existing customer because of the shifting of the consumer needs as the pandemic continue. So second, the sales of brick and mortar decreases due to pandemic, and this make many retailers enter into the e-commerce platform. So Shopee have to encourage the retailers or the new brands that enter their platform to continue after the pandemic, so that Shopee can turn the pandemic windfall to achieve their long-term success. That's all from me. Thank you.
So now I will proceed with the Shopee's reported e-commerce success factors. There are three success factors that contribute to the successful of Shopee's e-commerce business. The first one is the mobile first initiative. As we all know, mobile phone is the trend now. Everyone has mobile phone and even for some of the children also have mobile phone. People use mobile phone to do a lot of things in their life, such as watch movie, chat with friends, search information, and so forth. So mobile shopping can be a potential market for e-commerce business to discover. And then Shopee become the first company to discover this potential market for mobile shopping. Shopee enter the market with mobile application called SHOPEE. So this make the Shopee reach the untapped mobile user market and capture a huge number of customer in the mobile user market. So this is the first critical success factor for Shopee. The second one is the localizations. Localization means the different location have different market favour and also different culture. So Shopee launched their Shopee application for each of the country with the standalone applications. It is to fulfill the different market demands and in order to maximize the profit. Shopee launched their application in 8 countries. Got Malaysia, Singapore, and then Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and so forth. So each of the different country have different interface for Shopee application and slightly difference between the country. For example, let's say we use Indonesian market as example. Indonesian market have a large number of Muslim users. So the Shopee in Indonesia will have the small section for Muslim product that list out the Muslim product. So it is convenient for Indonesian users to search for the Muslim products, to more convenient for them to search and to use the applications. So the third, besides the third is the heavy promotion and value-added services. We all know customers always prefer a lot of promotions and offers, and also they prefer to use the user-friendly applications. So Shopee launched a lot of heavy promotions such as free shipping, discount voucher, flash sales. So these already attract a lot of users to use Shopee to buy things online, because they will get a more and more cheaper product by using Shopee to shop online, to buy things online. And then the value-added services is the Shopee provide a user-friendly interface and application to users to buy their things they want online, more convenient and more easy to use. So these three factors have contributed to the Shopee e-commerce success factors.
Assalamualaikum, very good morning everyone. My name is Nur Rashiki binti Abdullah. So for my part, I will cover the innovations that introduced by the Shopee to strengthen its presence in the e-commerce industry. So for your information, in less than 4 years, Shopee has become the leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan. And also Shopee also has ranked #1 for the total time in app and is probably the most downloaded shopping app in the regions during this time. So there are few of the innovations that introduced by the Shopee. For the first one, they built as a mobile optimist platform. So Shopee has developed under Internet and Mobile Platform Service Unicorn Grenier, where the builds as a mobile optimist platforms where they enables the buyer to snap and upload the screenshots of their items directly into Shopee and start selling instantly. And to prevent the fraudulent deals from occurring, what they're doing that, they come up with a system. They call it as a Shopee guarantee, which is designed to safeguard the transaction risk through a secure payment method. So besides that, Shopee also has leveraging the third-party collaborations to deliver the service, where the Shopee has partnered with the Singapore-based logistics startups Ninja Van, where the buyer with a bigger order and located far from the seller, they can have the goods delivered via Ninja Van. So the seller then tracks the delivery process through the app, and to encourage more sellers to come on board, what the Shopee do? They launch the Shopee free shipping, which is it allows the seller to sell, steer and ship their item and have their shipping costs reimbursed by Shopee. So second innovations that are introduced by the Shopee is referring for shiftings of the bad stock. So one of the many problems e-commerce player face is weeding out fraudulent deals and to ensuring a smooth transactions. So Shopee tackles this by making the registration process more stringent than other platform. So sellers have to provide their phone number to verify their accounts, and also they need to give their bank account number if they wish to receive the payments online. So here they come out with the payment service. They call it as the Shopee guarantee, where the seller only receive the money in their accounts once the item has been successfully delivered. So besides that, they have a system to flag any suspicious item. So the third of the initiative is referring for facilitate a more collaborative and creative working environment where they build a space boss of a host of future to facilitate a more collaborative and creative working environment, including a marketing studio where a Shopee Live and a Shopee Quiz are filmed, a gym and a fun zones where the employee can relax. Means that they are provide the collaborative and creative working environments to the employee. And then the last of point for the in terms of the initiative that taken by the Shopee is referring for collaborations with the payments networks Malaysia. We call it as a PayNet. So PayNet and Shopee announced a collaborations that will make a Shopee Pay the first e-wallets of an e-commerce platform to join the DuitNow ecosystem. So DuitNow initially allowed bank and e-wallet customer to transfer money instantly and securely on a basis through online banking channels and e-wallets app. So with Shopee Pay entering into the DuitNow ecosystem, so the customer at Shopee will soon be able to transfer the fund instantly between their Shopee Pay e-wallet and accounts with the bank. So Shopee introduced the Shopee Pay to bring Malaysians greater convenience and security when making the payment. So I think that's all from me. So thank you very much.
So now I would like to present the last point, which is the features and functionalities that made available on the Shopee e-commerce website. Nowadays, all the people around the world are getting their favorite items through the online shopping, right? So, the Shopee is the one e-commerce platform that offers the tons of deals in their business, which may make the buyers enjoy more of their online shopping experience. For the first features of Shopee website is Shopee Guarantee, which is a secure payment services. This will give the buyers the assurance by releasing the payments to the sellers once the buyers have confirmed to receive the item. If the buyer is not received the items, so the payments will be refunded in full to the buyers. At the same time, it also will protect the right of both sellers and buyers. And the next features is about free shipping and cash on delivery. This is a 5 kg shipping program offers to the Shopee buyers, and the buyers is capped at maximum 5 kg of delivery in West Malaysia and 1 kg for in East Malaysia, and they also will get shipping fee subsidized. Sometimes they are also cash in delivery service for the buyers. Furthermore, the lowest price guarantee deals also the features and functionalities that made available on the Shopee websites. The price that display in the Shopee at the lowest price guarantee sections is the lowest price that the buyers can ever find. So the buyer will always wondering if they got the best price in town, whereas Shopee also have the confidence with the prices that they offers is the lowest price item in the markets. The last features is about Shopee Coins reward system. The user of the Shopee may earn some Shopee Coins or loyalty points by the buying system. It will be credited to a Shopee account upon the completion of the transactions. All the users are eligible to join the system, and the loyalty points and coins will that's credited to the user's account have no monetary values and cannot be transferred or so purchased for cash. And the last part is about the assessment on features and functionalities of Shopee websites. In my humble opinions, I really enjoy to use the Shopee websites because it is user-friendly platform that offers to the buyers and sellers. It has a simplest interface design which can allow the users to develop the website easily. Besides, the website has an interesting tools that can make easier to buyers to use the products comparisons methods in the catalogs. These functions can select few different items in the comparative table forms. Furthermore, there are simpler forms of transaction handling which may make the user easily understand how to use it. And there are so many features and functionality that makes available on the websites too.
Hi guys, so that is not the end. We are going to play some quiz, and the link will be provided on the group WhatsApp after this. So stay tuned and have fun. Bye bye.